Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to root your Android device. Rooting is a jailbreaking process where you are allowed to perform any activities on phone, overcoming the OS restrictions. You can make any software uploads without hesitation, download your favorite games in the Play Store, and get access to websites and software as per your needs. Get complete access on your phone and do whatever you want in the absence of device interruptions. When you jailbreak a phone, the safety features are high-risk. It creates loopholes for the hackers and attackers to threaten your device when connected to the online space. Due to its easy accessibility, it becomes prey to online attackers. Safety features become a serious issue when you jailbreak a system for other purposes. There are the preparation before rooting a phone and following them without fail. So in settings, go to about phone, then tap the version 7 times. So this becomes you a developer option. So there are different apps for rooting available on App Store. So one of it is Rootmaster. This app is compatible with all the Android versions and follow up one-click rooting method. It has a simple interface and does not require a PC to perform the rooting action. The Rootmaster enables you to remove the bloatware on your phone, install the app on your device, and run the rooting process by tapping the activate button. The device reboots many times during the rooting procedure. After the successful rooting process, you can perform the desired task on the phone as an admin. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!